Hello everybody, I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today we're going to hook up our breadboard to our breadboard adapter to make an LED light on and off. So let's go ahead and start. We will need a microbit, a breadboard adapter, a breadboard, a LED, 2 wires, and a resistor from your kit. And I put those in a plastic baggie, so you should have them. And when you get them, it's okay just to take them and just tear it off. That's what they're there for. So let's get started. The first thing we need to do is we need to hook up the breadboard adapter to the breadboard. We're going to line up the spikes so that they're on either side of this channel here, or I call this the canyon. So we're going to push this in. It's really hard to push in, so what I do is I use a cloth and then I push down on this end, and then I just kind of work it in until it's all the way in. It can be very hard to push in, just so you know. And you know it's pushed in when you don't see the silver spikes down towards the bottom, you only see this black part. Okay, so let's put in the LED. So the LED has a positive side, which is the long leg, and a negative side, which is the short leg. The positive side, or the long leg, is going to go in 20, and the negative leg, or the short leg, is going to go in 19. We're going to connect the ground, which is right here on your adapter. It says G for ground. It's in row 2, most likely, and we're going to go down and connect that into row 19. We're going to connect the 0 pin in row 2 on this side of the breadboard to 20 in the same column. And then finally, we're going to add our resistor. It does matter which way it goes. So there's a dark brown side and a gold side. The dark brown side is going to go towards the left, or towards the black wire. And this is also going to go in row 20. So we're going to connect this side of the breadboard to this side by putting one leg in row 20 on this side and one leg on row 20 on the other side. And it's okay if you bend these a little bit. In Tinkercad for the kit, we are going to go to Designs. We're going to create New, and we'll click on Circuit. I'm going to call it Breadboard LED. And I'm not going to do all of this because we don't need to. I'm just going to search up for Microbit. And I'm going to do the Microbit with breakout. And then I can go to my code. So on Start, I'm going to show a check mark. And then I'm going to grab my Forever block. I'm going to click on the blue button for output. I'm going to get the digital right pin, 0 to high, and then I'm going to grab the digital right pin 0, but this time I'm going to select it to low because basically that's on and off. And I'm going to add a weight in there. So I'm going to go to Basic, grab a weight, stick it in between, and then grab another weight and stick it underneath the digital right pin. I'm going to download my code, and you'll have to open up your files folder, and your file is going to look different than mine because I'm on a Macintosh. You're going to grab your breadboard code and drag it to your microbit, and as we're doing that, watch here. The light is going to start blinking. Do you see that light blinking right here? So that means that it's copying the code over. We'll give it just a second. Now we see a check mark and our LED is blinking on and off. I hope you have fun creating and learning some basic electronics. Have a great day.